Hello, I'm Keith Mensing, Tech Service Manager for Rudolph Company, and welcome to our Tech Corner. Today we're going to cover how to properly install the 2810 cartridge kit in the Betagun III. The Betagun III has just a couple of basic controls. It is pneumatic, has a trigger for driving the pistons forward to dispense the adhesive, and the red button retracts them so you can remove the cartridge. We've already got the gun set up to install our cartridges, so let's move to the cartridges. The 2810 cartridge kit, the 2850, and also the Betagun K2 are very similar. We're going to start by removing the connector and throw away the spacer. We'll snap the connector onto the cartridges, attach our static mixer, and then we're ready to install it in the dispense gun. Now that we have the cartridge kit assembled, go ahead and lay it in the tray of the dispense gun. Pull the trigger, dispense some adhesive, and we're ready to go.